Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the console. Make sure you're in the Roblox client or studio with the right permissions, then press F9 on Windows. On Mac, use Command plus Option plus J. Once done, look for the Console tab. That's where messages and errors appear. You should also confirm the game allows developer console access. If not, request permission or use Studio Play mode. These first actions put you into the environment where you can read output and run basic commands immediately. Now you'll execute commands and read results. You can type print hello to verify the console prints output and use built-in commands such as clear to reset history or stats to view performance. Once you understand output, inspect stack traces to find the source of errors and use filters, info, warn, error to reduce noise. Make sure to check server versus client context. Some commands affect server state and won't show client-side changes, so toggle contexts when diagnosing behavior. Finish by applying whatever fixes you uncovered, then rerun tests to confirm behavior. Use, reopen, or reload the experience to reset state when necessary. You should record error messages and stack traces so you can target specific lines in scripts or assets. If the console doesn't appear or shows no output, restart the client or studio, double-check that developer permissions are enabled, and make sure filters aren't hiding messages. One key troubleshooting tip: restart and reproduce. That often reveals permission or context issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.